Hey guys, welcome back to Justin World TV. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to wash your beans for moi moi or akara. Pour in the beans, add water and soak for 2 minutes. Once you have soaked, use your grater and start peeling off the skin of the beans gradually, just the way I'm doing it. If today is your first time you're coming across this channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment, help us to grow. Add water once you have finished peeling off the skin. The first time you add water, you drain. After that, you see, once you finish adding, you drain, you wash again and add water, you drain. By the time you continue with this method, the third time you can see the beans, you have finished peeling off the beans, the skin of the beans. Then you wash with proper water and search for to see if you can see any ones that you didn't really peel off. Use your hand to peel them off. And that is it. How to clean your beans. The fastest way to clean your beans for akara and moi moi in a larger quantity, especially for this Christmas season, this holiday season. Try this and stock in your freezer to do lots of meals, recipes like akara, moi moi, and lots more. Thank you.